Welcome back. Do you know you can control which fields appear in your Salesforce flows and component without editing them every time? Now, I'll show you how to create a field set in Salesforce. A field set is a collection of fields defined on an object that can be used dynamically in features like screen flows, lightning components, and Visualforce pages. So at the back end, when you have navigated to your object manager, you are going to find the field set option and you select new to create a field set. So I'm going to be giving this a name. So for this, I'm going to be calling it the basic opportunity info. So this field set is going to be for an opportunity flow in the future. So I'm going to just describe what it's supposed to be used for so that when I come back to it, I'm going to still remember the need for this field set. So this field set is supposed to be for opportunities that needs to be upscaled in the future. Let me say, for instance, you have an opportunity and the expected total revenue of all opportunities, let me say the maximum should be 2 million, but now an opportunity contact want to upscale to 500 million. Of course, there are some basic fields that you need for this, and probably when you're building automations for this kind of upscaling, you will use this field set for this screen flow or for any type of flow. Right. So when you have saved it, it brings out the list, the page layout, a page layout interface that has the list of fields on the object you're creating this field set on. So on the right you have the fields in the set, while on the left you have the available fields. So you're going to be selecting the most important fields that you feel you need for this particular field set right from your available fields and drag it onto the available for the field set. After you have selected those that you feel are very important or you need, you are going to still drag it and drop onto the right hand side, which are in the field set. So let's just drag and drop, and that is what we are going to be doing to just create our field set. And that is how to create your field set in Salesforce. If you want a flexible, reusable, and feature-proof Salesforce solution, this is a must watch. This channel is a must watch channel, and please come back for more videos. Thank you.